Yes, it is. All right, so this is Durham's Rock Hard Water Putty, and it's just a powder like this. And then I mixed up just a little with some water, and it's real easy to get it too thin. So I just keep adding until it gets more of a consistency, but it dries really, really fast. So if you get it too wet, actually, even as I put it on here, it will start to harden. I've got it too thin, but once it starts to harden, I'll take this and kind of carve these little indentions out. Almost every frame I have has some, especially the old ones, has some dings in it. And you can go back around and fix them. I'll fix them with this model paint. I just went and bought like copper gold, like this gold here will be the perfect fix. There's some silver and there's a lighter gold. So actually those are the ones that I would use, these two. Let me make this a little thicker. I'll show you the consistency. It probably depends on the humidity too as to how fast it dries. When we were outside on the porch working on the columns, I mean, it just dried so quick it was rock hard and I couldn't even do anything with it. But you can see how it's starting to dry here.
Then we put another layer on.
I am.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna see how well that works. And then you can sand it as well once it gets on there.
That was my next question.
Yeah, it gets hard enough to sand it. Paint works really better because it's enamel type paint. It's not like a water-based. You could probably try an acrylic or something. See, you can't really. I could rub a little bit of oil paint in there, like whatever color I think this is. Maybe it's dust really, but raw umber or something, and just fix it that way. See how it did on the sides. I had bought another kind of putty at a long time ago to repair some other frames with, but then when I found, when we were doing renovations, like I said, I found this when we were needing to patch something. Those columns on our front porch are 100 and something years old, I guess, and a lot of the wood was, so see, you can't, it's not too bad. It did pretty good.